In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes on Shopify checkout. When running an online store, it's vital to align your platform with your customers' needs as seamlessly as possible. One of the ways to enhance your customer service and personalize the shopping experience on your Shopify store is by enabling your customers to leave notes at checkout. This could be anything from special delivery instructions to a gift message. So let's dive into how you can set this up in a few simple steps. Firstly, head over to Shopify by entering the Shopify website in your browser. Once you're there, look for the login button to access your account. It's crucial to ensure you're entering the correct store details to make the modifications needed. Upon clicking login, Shopify will prompt you to enter your store's details. This is generally the name of your store or a specific identifier used by Shopify to locate your account. Type this information carefully to avoid any access issues. Following this, select Continue with email to proceed with the email associated with your Shopify account. Shopify does provide options to log in using third-party accounts, so if your Shopify account is linked to a Google account, for example, you can use that as an alternative login method. Today, however, we're sticking to the email method for simplicity. Once you've chosen your preferred login method, you'll be asked to select the account associated with your Shopify store. This step is particularly straightforward if you're using the email login option, as it will directly prompt you for your password next. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard. Your journey to enhancing customer experience continues as you navigate to the online store section. This section is a gateway to all the customization options for your store's look and functionality. In the online store section, find and click on the Customizes button. This action navigates you to a section where you can edit the themes and layouts of your store, including the all-important checkout process. Within the theme customization area, start by clicking on Homepage to ensure you are starting from the main template. Then advance to the Cart page section, because the note option we want to enable will be visible to customers at this stage of their purchase. Upon accessing the cart settings, your next step is to find and click on Subtotal. This might seem a bit out of place, but it's part of navigating through Shopify's customization menus to reach our main target, which is enabling the cart note functionality. Now, direct your attention to Theme Settings, a crucial section where you can tweak various aspects of your store's appearance and functionality. It's here that the magic happens. Inside Theme Settings, look for the option labeled Enable Cart Note. By toggling this on, you are activating the ability for your customers to leave notes during their checkout process. This small but significant change can dramatically enhance the shopping experience by adding a personalized touch. Finally, don't forget to hit save. To apply all these changes, it might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a critical step to ensure none of your efforts go to waste. And voila, you've successfully enabled the option for customers to add notes to their orders at checkout on your Shopify store. This feature could be incredibly useful for both you and your customers, providing valuable insights into their needs and enhancing the overall service experience. Remember, running an online store is not just about the products you sell, but also about how you cater to your customers' needs and preferences. Enabling a feature like cart notes is a step towards creating a more engaging and personalized shopping experience on your Shopify store. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to making your Shopify store more user-friendly and accommodating to your valued customers.